to our school, Türk Park and Anatomy High School.
Hi, my name is Aisha. And I'm Zeyna.
I am Hasna. I am Betty.
I'm Naya.
I'm Sena, and I present to you our advisor teacher, Şeydanur Şeyh.
Now we will introduce our works.
These are the works we created based on documentary Faces and Places, presented by Agnes Varda and Gia.
In the movie journal team, we painted small canvases by using our own ideas about the contrast. The main sample we chose was Jair's glasses, but why are the canvases on small cardboard?
We use cardboard as a tool to remind us our work. We paint the contrasts we discovered from the movie to the board, and so that we wouldn't forget them.
And here our works are the main symbols that we inspired in the film that we have seen. And it's by using static figures, we aim to mirror the wisdom and the circularity that we explored it in that film.
Symbol represents us, ancient knowledge. When we expressing this, we try to explain beginnings and cycles in that artifact. In our life, we see that artifacts, different areas and files symbolize blooming, colorful flowers. In our other work, shows the elegance of life.
In the documentary, my octopus teacher, we came to understand the universe, creation, and the importance of life. After commenting on the film, my colleagues and I collectively designed an octopus painting. Each color in this designed painting has a meaning.
After creating the octopus form, we started to paint it, sometimes one by one, and sometimes together. The colors we used on octopus tentacles represent different meanings. Yellow one represents patience, orange one represents aliveness, pink one for the love, and blue one represents knowledge.